Gujjar and Bakarwal families in Jammu are celebrating this Eid under the open sky. They've been rendered homeless after the administration in Jammu carried out a massive demolition drive against encroachers. The nomads say that they have been living there even before independence. They have accused the administration of targeting them selectively.
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख इत्तेहाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद डरना नहीं मजबूरी है
Saif Ali, who owned 2 houses, is now homeless, living under open sky for last 4 months. Homes of 80 years old tribal were bulldozed during a demolition drive in Jammu on January 11th. Since then, life has become daily struggle for Saif Ali and over a dozen Gujjar and Bakarwal families who are on a sit-in protest demanding justice.
अभी तक चल रही है जी।
तो रोशनी के तहत आपने क्या पैसे भरे?
मैं पैसे भरे थे जी, 6,75,000 है।
कब भरा था वो?
2008 में।
तो आपके पास पूरे कागज
पूरे है जी, कागज पूरे। वो दिखाने के लिए आया, हमें खाने दे दिया देगा। हमें पकड़ेगा देगी।
This was the first major drive to bulldoze residential houses in Jammu before recent demolition drive in Delhi and Madhya Pradesh. The Jammu Development Authority says demolition drive was carried out against encroachers, but admit that tribals were living there since long time. Pankaj Magotra, the Vice Chairman of Jammu Development Authority, said that we demolished illegal homes, but there we have not removed tribals from the land. We are trying to find an amicable solution. Saif Ali's brother Abdul Aziz, who has witnessed the horrors of partition, says they didn't even face such a dispossession in 1947. The octogenarian tried to commit suicide after his home was demolished.
कुछ हमारे साथ 47 में भी नहीं हुआ, कैसा अभी आप करने लगे हो हमारे साथ। हम बेबस हो गए जनाब, हमारी कोई नहीं सुनाई हुई आज तक।
At Roop Nagar neighbourhood, where demolition drive was carried out, the lawyer of tribals say JCBs were used selectively as the powerful people, including politicians who have built swanky homes at the place, were not touched.
One treatment is given to a particular section and other treatment is given to Saif Ali. This is all selective, Mr. Masoodi. Let me tell you, they have been crying and they have been picked up for hostile discrimination because they are the poor nomads.
Politics of bulldozers has started from this place in Jammu when houses of tribals were demolished in January. Since then, homeless tribals are on a sit-in protest, demanding justice, demanding rehabilitation, demanding a shelter where they can live. In Jammu with cameraman Amir, Nazir Masoodi, 5 TV.